if Optimus can watch videos, YouTube videos or how-to videos or whatever, and based on that video, just like a human can, learn how to do that thing, then you really have task extensibility that is dramatic.
Tesla says its flagship humanoid robot is learning more like a real human every day. A recent breakthrough unlocked the ability for the Tesla Optimus to learn complex tasks directly from internet videos of humans performing them, initially from first-person perspectives. This means a single AI robot brain can control many different tasks without needing people to manually teach them each step. Video content has become the preferred way to learn over the last 2 decades after Sal Khan popularized the concept with Khan Academy. A 2024 survey by TechSmith found that 83% of people prefer watching videos over reading text or listening to audio when accessing instructional or informational content.
How to say brain rot in Chinese?
The rise of video sharing platforms like YouTube and TikTok fostered a creator-driven educational ecosystem that appears poised to spill over into robotics. Tesla just shared new footage of Optimus robots at its Fremont factory independently executing a variety of household and industrial tasks with skills learned from the video-based approach. The robots also showed off their recently enhanced human-like movements at Tesla's Austin, Texas plant during a visit by U.S. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy.
Autonomous driving will reduce accidents by a factor of 10 and ultimately save billions of lives.
The advancements come as Elon Musk shifts his focus back to his technological pursuits after a controversial run as head of the Trump White House Department of Government Efficiency.
You said recently tens of billions of robots, but that's decades away.
At least 1 decade away.
It's got to be more than that.
It's going to grow very fast.
Musk has admitted that his political activities have hurt Tesla's bottom line after he took a public-facing role for Trump's successful 2024 campaign. He's intensifying his focus on artificial intelligence and robotics as the U.S. tech sector ramps up efforts to stay competitive amid China's rapid advancements.
I don't think the world has really had the humanoid robots moment yet. Like the first day you're like walking down the street and there's like 7 robots that walk past you doing things or whatever, it's going to feel very sci-fi. So yeah, it's coming. And we always tried to just be super honest about what we think.
The Chinese robotics industry has nearly doubled its market share in just 4 years, rising from 30% in 2020 to 50% today. As it seeks to lead the humanoid robotics market by 2027, the Chinese government has approved a state-backed venture capital fund of $138 billion to drive innovation. Tesla recently filed paperwork in China to trademark its humanoid robot's name. The formal legal move suggests Tesla is preparing for future sales of Optimus robots in China, where they'd compete with perceived robotics leaders like Unitree, UBTech, Engine AI, Agibot, and rising EV manufacturer XPeng. In the US, their competition includes the well-funded startup Figure, whose flagship humanoid robot, the Figure 2, is shown here working on BMW's X3 production line at its plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. As noted by the Humanoid Hub on the X social media platform, Elon Musk previewed how the TeslaBot's learning would evolve on Lex Fridman's podcast back in November 2023.
Optimus will figure out how to do things by watching videos.
The EV maker has hired workers to wear motion capture suits to train its Optimus robots. To transfer skills, they wear VR headsets while performing specific tasks so the humanoids can learn through imitation. The employees, referred to as data collection operators, are paid about $48 an hour. That data, combined with videos, years of real-world driving data from Tesla's autonomous vehicle programs, serves as the foundation for training Optimus through reinforcement learning. Digital twins of Optimus robots train in simulations where they figure out how to do things through trial and error. Tesla transfers that knowledge to physical robots via a process called Sim-to-Real, short for simulation to reality. Variations of the method have been adopted by most of today's humanoid robotics firms, from garage startups like Palo Alto-based K-Scale to Boston Dynamics. The system is never perfect, and companies are refining methods to close what's known as the sim-to-real gap. As Unitree founder Wang Xingxing reportedly explained at a recent industry event in Shanghai, the lack of a mature, unified end-to-end AI system is the industry's biggest challenge. The breakthrough would facilitate what some call the iPhone moment and others call the ChatGPT moment in robotics. The pressure is on for companies to get there sooner than later before investors lose patience.
I think humanoid robots will be the biggest product ever. The demand will be insatiable.
Tesla's Optimus has a neural network running directly on its hardware that makes real-time decisions like adjusting its grip or changing its walking path. It's how the robot in this demo can navigate challenging terrain here with its vision system disabled. As Tesla moves beyond the labor-intensive approach, engineers are now working toward expanding its learning to third-person videos. This is trickier because camera angles are different for every video, so the robot must figure out which motions are important and how to map them to its own body. Optimus would also need to determine which video is most relevant for the given task. Musk has predicted that Optimus will be Tesla's most profitable product of all time, emphasizing its transformative potential in both industrial and consumer applications.
There are some advances needed, but I don't think these are insurmountable. I think we can solve these things in the next few years.
Tesla aims to manufacture 5,000 Optimus robots in 2025, with most of the production toward the end of the year. Initial Optimus units will be for internal use. External sales are expected around the second half of 2026, with Tesla employees getting first access. Though he envisions a future where personal robots like the TeslaBot facilitates an age of abundance, Musk cautioned during the recent Saudi-US investment forum in Riyadh that a dystopian future is also possible.
Sometimes in AI they talk about universal basic income. I think it's actually going to be universal high income. Now, there obviously are some risks, which illustrate perhaps if we don't do this right, you could have like a James Cameron sort of movie.
The manufacturer is positioning Optimus as a general-purpose robot that can do everything from household chores to factory work to social companionship. Tesla announced its intent to make fake humans in 2021, and the first prototype emerged the following year. The automaker unveiled its second-generation iteration in 2023 with a slimmer design, improved hands, and more agile movements. Meanwhile, in Silicon Valley, a rising startup says it's aiming to turn humanity into a Type 1 civilization with its open-source approach to humanoid robotics. For more on that, check the related video.